So a little something different for you guys today. We are actually heading to go meet a subscriber to get his PC parts, and we're gonna be building a PC for him today using his parts. So we're gonna go meet him and get a PC built. You should not, don't vlog and drive. Shouldn't do that. But I'm doing it right now. Catch me riding dirty. Hello.
Hi. My name is Angel. Hi, how are you?
Chris, how are you doing?
Good.
Chris, nice to meet you.
My husband told me that.
Okay, how you doing, Sandra?
How are you, brother?
What's your actual, is that your actual name?
Kim.
No,
Kim?
it's
Yeah.
Okay.
Really like my
Okay, cool.
screen name and
All right, I just had to ask. Let me help y'all.
Yeah, he was like, you were the one that told him about Micro Center.
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
you've been going there like almost every month.
Bro, I have an expensive GPU. Can you take care of me?
I got you.
There you go.
Okay. This one. All right, back at the house, got the parts waiting on us here. So we're gonna throw this bad boy together and do some minute marks. All right, here we are. Here we go. What we got? We're dealing with the i5-10600K, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and the RTX 3070. Let's go ahead and start this thing off with some testing, some benchmarking, some 3D mark, huh? Check it out. Lord Jesus! Let's run it. We're just doing stock right now, guys. We aren't doing any overclocking. We're just stocking this thing out, seeing what we got. Well, look who's inside again, without the reason for people to hide again. Well, buddy. When I'm fully irrelevant and totally broke, don't panic. Hurry up, I tell you a joke. Well, that's not bad. We didn't do any sort of overclocking at all. This is just all stock right there, so it's not doing bad. Not too bad, not too bad. Well, you know we had to do it, guys. Okay, you think I was just gonna not get one round of Apex in? Come on. There we go. We're on highs. We're playing on high. Okay.
Enough lying around. We're dropping. Let's go this way. Tango Delta. Round 1. Beginning countdown. Might be something good this way.
Next ring's not very close.
Come time.
Get shot at. Attention. I think now it used to be.
Reload.
Reloading. Bandit down. Going to take. We got another squad attacking us. Look out. Reloading. Firing.
Get drone if you need it. Just giving my shields a recharge.
Charging up my shields. Catching myself up.
Taking
I'm taking shots. I'm running out.
I had to finish him.
making contact getting.
Got radar lock.
If it makes you feel any better, my fans love you.
Okay, guys, I'm losing. All right, we're not gonna pull a win this go. Okay, finally getting to give this stuff back today. It's been a while. It's been a little over a week, but I've had it done. I got it done like the next day. It only took me a day to put it together. But I'm just now getting to meet with him and give him his computer back. So let's go give it back to him and see what he thinks. And trying to get rid of it. And I'm paying for it right now. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I don't think you can. Is your kids vegan?
Yeah.
All of them?
Yeah. Yeah.
So you cannot have donuts?
No, I can't. I can't. I appreciate it.
I think we can continue. Thank you, TechVibe, for building my computer. And guys, don't forget to subscribe on his channel, TechVibe.